Welcome to Da Nang. Welcome to Mian Beach. We dodged the second storm. I'm very happy it's not gonna come to Da Nang. I hope it will be less heavy going north, but it is not coming here. I already checked the weather app and it clearly shows it went north and a little bit not that hard, hopefully. We still have very, very huge waves, very strong current, I think. I haven't been inside, but it looks like it. It looks phenomenal. It is a beautiful ocean today. It looks very nice. We have, let's see if there's rainwater coming out here or not. Not that much, but maybe also it did not rain that much. I'm not sure. But it smells not that pretty here, but it is pretty over here. Lots of boats are inside now. They don't drive. No paragliding is going on here. But the sun is out. I can see a few nice spots of blue sky, the ocean, and the whole beach looks very nice. It's not crowded at all. It's very nice. We have big motorbikes over there. I'm very glad motorbikes usually here are not that loud. Like in Thailand, there are many tuned motorbikes everywhere. I think if they would have it here plus the honking, it would be absolutely a nightmare. But yeah, look at this beautiful beach again. It looks phenomenal. Even though it rained, and as you can see here, I'm not sure when it rained, but I think probably at night. They have a little bit of an issue here, the rainwater, as you can see. But other than that, everything is fine. Yeah, looks phenomenal. We can check out the beach right now. Let's check out the beach quality right there. Also, look at this soulmate, very romantic here. It's perfect to make photos here. Huh? You can sit here, have maybe even food, I'm not sure. Yeah, looks pretty nice here. Oh wow, lots of people are in the water. That it's just probably just blocked here. And you should always be aware. Even though the waves are not that high, you could get drawn out. So even though it's annoying, if you're not the best swimmer or not a surfer, definitely listen to the lifeguards here. All the way there, you have to swim there. You never know what's happening here. And if you go out here, you're lost, you drown, no one will come to rescue you. They're all there. Over there are the lifeguards. That's why you can go in the water over there. Now, if you're a surfer, you can pretty much, probably not here, but over there I can see a lot of surfers. There are some specific areas for the surfers. It should be fine. But yesterday I saw those perfect waves. Yesterday it looked like a proper surfing paradise. Let me know in the comments. When it was raining, it was a very good surfing. I just saw it from one block away and it looked very nice. Now, not that much. But it looks like a fun sea at the moment. It will probably be a little bit stronger today, more. It might rain a little bit more, but the big storm is not coming, so everything is fine. The sun is out, be aware, even though it's nice and windy and clouds are there and it feels like you will not get burned, you will get burned, guys. Be aware, especially if you're coming from a Caucasian background. You might be aware of that. Even though it's not full-blown sunny and blue sky, you will get a sunburn and you don't want to have that. So try to avoid the noontime. Not like me here. Yeah, it looks beautiful here. Everything is really located there. Here's a surf rescue surfboard. Everyone is over there, and also the surfers. But I think the surfers are separated with a line. So I guess this is the new hotspot here to go in the water. Right in front of the M Hotel and the Maya Beach Club. Yeah. The sand is nice and firm. You can walk perfectly here. Perfect to have long walks. Where should we go up? This is how it looks here. Yeah, not that busy. You can see also not that many people on the streets at the moment, but I don't know, it could be also because of the rain yesterday. Many people just stay home. Usually after a few days of rain, the beach is packed because it's like revenge beaching. Revenge beaching, yeah, this is very common, especially in January when it's like very nasty weather, and then at some point the sun comes out and literally everyone and the whole family, everyone comes out. You will see that a lot here. As you can see here, the festive decorations of the Independence Day. It's very strong. Flags are everywhere. Would have loved to see this kind of national pride in Germany as well, but sadly that is not the case. Else the world would shake again. No, but seriously, we need more German flags in Germany. Definitely. Look at this beautiful flag. It's so beautiful. It's amazing. Fantastic. You know, this is because it's an important national day. Maybe we have also national days in Germany. We should also look at the Americans. They can do it too. They have the whole 250-year anniversary and they have everywhere flags. We need that too. Pretty busy here, guys. Let me know in the comments, where are you from? And do you have a lot of flags in your country? Especially, I think even the Norwegians have everywhere the Norwegian flag on the Norwegian day. I remember even Ole bought a Norwegian flag when it was that day here in Da Nang. Yeah, let me know in the comments where you're from, and do you have on your specific national days in your country beautiful flags around. So here there's the surfing lessons. You can get group lessons or private lessons. Surfers coming out. It's nice, guys. The construction between Haiyan Hotel and the Rosa Mia. Yeah, it's full blown, but it's not that loud, to be honest. It does not feel that it is a loud construction site, but it has to be loud at some point. A skyscraper will not be built silently. It would be nice though. Maybe they have some kind of capabilities of that, but yeah. Look at this, they have pizza now here. Hello summer! Farfalle quattro formaggi sauce. Noodles and seafood pizza. Beautiful. Half and half, double burgers. Ah, that's nice. Pizza on the beach, right there. And surfing at the same time. Beautiful. I mean, at the moment it's a little bit hot, but when the sun goes down, a pizza at the beach. Oh, look at it. Beautiful waves there. Oh my God, guys. Those waves are, ooh, ooh, ooh. That looks good, guys. For all my surfer out there. Some of those waves look good. There's also an easy thing to do. If you're a hardcore surfer, you have a motorbike, you have your surfboard, go up there, all right? In the 40th floor of the Muang Thang building, go up there. You will see most likely the whole beach from there. At least this beach part, like a long beach part stretch. You can see it from there and then you can act accordingly. You just pick a bike and drive there wherever you see good waves. Let me know, is that how you do it? If you see them, if you see a good break, do you go there, or do you have specific other ways to find the best surfing spots? I feel like in the north there's not that much waves going on because, yeah, it's very calm. All right. I'm walking between all the photos. I love when the people smile at me. Yeah, look how beautiful it looks here, guys. Fantastic, but it's very hot. I gotta be very cautious. Look, oh wow, wow. 20 people surfing over there in this spot. I think for the surfers, it's starting now. Whenever there's some typhoon in the East Sea around, lurking around, this is when the good waves are coming up. In the summer, no, it's too calm. But now, also in the rainy season, I think it's a good surf. It's not always the biggest waves, but if you're just starting out, I think it's perfect. No one is playing volleyball right now because it's also too sunny right now. And too windy, to be honest. I don't think a ball would fly into the right direction at the moment. So over there we have another little stretch with people in the water. And usually if you go somewhere else in the water, the lifeguards will whistle at you. Look at this beautiful display here. They even have red. Look, beautiful. Okay, this is the German word for the day, because I don't know the English word. Bierkasten. This here, where you store the beer inside. This is a Bierkasten. Comment below what it is in English. A Bierkasten. Another yellow card, another coconut spot here. Beautiful. I'm wondering when they will start constructing this piece of land here. But they doing something big there. Guys, this is absolutely insane. This was a small Korean or Japanese restaurant. I still don't know what it was because I've never been in there. It was a small thing in the middle. Now they kept the main building in the middle and they just built something next to it, all right? So look at how insanely huge this building is now. And it goes all the way in the back. Now, what will it be? Another seafood place? So the seafood places, I think, are very profitable, but do we need 150 seafood places here? I'm not sure. Will it be something like 43 Town, and the 43 Town, like several places, a coffee shop, a restaurant, yeah, or a huge buffet place? Who knows, right? But it will be something big, and it will be in an absolutely prime location, and it will make the whole thing better. What is a little bit sad, there was a coffee shop over there. I had some coffees over there, and they removed everything. So that's a sad thing, but other than that, who knows what they will build right next to it as well. Very interesting, guys. This will also shape this whole beach part, because this is the Mi-an beach. It stops over there and then it's Sontra or Mi-ke beach. But over here it's still Mi-an beach, okay? Yeah, very nice, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, okay? Like this video. I know you're watching on TV, go up and like this video. And subscribe if you haven't yet. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one. Ah, and this video is also very nice.